Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix message not sending on Facebook Messenger. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that on Messenger you're unable to send messages, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to just check out your network connection. You just have to make sure that your internet is working well, it's stable, and some because sometimes it might be that your internet is not well, so you're unable to send messages to anyone. Or if you're facing the issue that you're unable to send message to a single person, like just as an example, let's say I'm unable to send message to only this person. My message is being failed to send this send, but if let's suppose if my message is being failed to send to this person, so I can also try to send message to anyone else, like let's say this one, and here check if I am able to send message to him. So if I can send message to this person, but not the previous one, so it means that I am unable to send message to this person's privacy. The person has some privacy settings, so I'm unable to send message to him. Or sometimes it might be that the person has been blocked you, so you're also unable to send message to this person. If it doesn't work for you, so you can try to completely refresh your page, or you can also try to close your browser and retry to reopen your browser and now retry to send message. This time, you might not get that issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.